We've all been there. It's 8 a.m. and you're stuck waiting in a long line for a delicious latte to kickstart your day. But what if you could cut out the line entirely with a well-built, reliable espresso machine that easily replicates cafe-quality espressos and lattes? Hi, I'm Ben with Clive Coffee, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Profitec Pro 700. Profitec is one of the leading manufacturers of high-quality home espresso machines. Based in Heidelberg, Germany, and manufactured in their factory in Milan, Italy, Profitec espresso machines are well respected for their precision engineering, durability, and performance. The Pro 700 is their flagship dual-boiler espresso machine. Aesthetically, this machine is a careful blend of classic Italian espresso culture and modern rational design. The tasteful gauges, prominent E61 group head, and knob-operated steam and hot water valves are balanced by the clean, straightforward body design. For a more mid-century feel, the team at Clive works with an artisan woodworker to create custom wood panels. Internally, the Pro 700 truly shines. The layout of the boilers and electronics is one of the cleanest and most straightforward designs available. This means it will be much easier to learn the technical aspects of the machine and make small repairs at home. Performance-wise, the Pro 700 is a heavyweight. The 0.75-liter PID-operated brew boiler produces consistent, delicious espressos back-to-back. The 2-liter steam boiler and 4-hole steam wand tip produces some of the most powerful steam we've seen. It's capable of steaming large quantities of milk quickly and with little refresh time. If you're planning on making smaller milk drinks or want to reduce the intensity of the steam output, Clive stocks 2-hole steam wand tips from Profitec as well. For such strong performance, the Pro 700 easily adapts to your needs. It comes with a large water reservoir, as well as the option to directly plumb into a water line. Also, the distance between the drip tray and the group head is large enough to fit both large and small mugs. If you're looking to replicate cafe-quality drinks at home, you'd be hard-pressed to find a better machine than the Profitec Pro 700. For more coffee tips, tricks, and brewing science, don't forget to check back at clivecoffee.com.